Hello guys, welcome back to NAIJA News and Entertainment. You are not God. Tacha fires back at Ubi Franklin after he said she was the last person he wanted to see in Big Brother's house. Former BB Naija housemate Tacha has fired back at Ubi Franklin after the later revealed she was the last person he wanted to see in the Big Brother house. He also revealed Tacha sent him numerous DMs, but he told her he didn't have the connection to help her. Ubi Franklin went ahead to say that he got Sibley's endorsement deal for Tacha during another Instagram Live interview with Tacha's former manager. Tacha has now taken to Instagram Live video to slam him. In the video, she had on a crown, then took off the crown to insult Ubi before wearing the crown back. She said in the video that she has turned down numerous deals and Ubi can't claim he got her deals. She then went on to call out Ubi saying, "Ubi Franklin, you have kids to take care of. You have people you owe money. Are you done focusing on that?" She added, "The nerve, the effrontery for you to actually say if there's one person I didn't want to see in the Big Brother house, it's Tacha. Who are you? Are you my God? Are you God? Who exactly are you to make a statement like that?" She continued, "You have people to take care of, you have kids to take care of, you have people to face, you owe people money, go and pay them, go and pay the people that you owe. Get my name out of your mouth." I know, I understand this whole thing. Like when you are irrelevant, you want to just try to suck out of someone's relevance. And I get you. I know you are happy because this 10 minutes of fame now, you use it. You try to exhaust it because that's what you do. You are an opportunist. But please, in all the lies that you tell, do not, I repeat, do not open your mouth to say that you got Tacha deals, because you got Tacha absolutely nothing. I have never met you before. I sent you a DM once, and like I said, it was a business proposal. You take it or you leave it, and you left it, and that's it. She then accuses Ubi of trying to pit her and former Big Brother NAIJA housemate Mercy against each other. Tacha said, "I really wish that women support each other. If women support each other, a moron such as Ubi Franklin will not wake up from his rented apartment and talk to me. You as a moron, you want to try to put I and Mercy up against each other, cause that's exactly what you did during your live Instagram yesterday, trying to like, oh, what do you think about this? What do you think about this?" Tacha also showed gratitude to Sibley's for standing up for her during his interview with Ubi. In the live interview, Sibley's bluntly told Ubi that he fucked up and that he was a bit disappointed with him. Also, when Ubi didn't want to call Tacha's name and called her a talent, Sibley's insisted on calling her by her name. Ubi said to Sibley, "You remember when I called you after you signed that talent?" Sibley's responded, stating that he had worked with many talents and asked Ubi to name the talent. He added, "Her name is not that talent, call her by her name." After the Instagram live, Tacha took to her Instagram stories to continue throwing shades at Ubi. She wrote, "My hard work got me where I am. My sweat speaks for me." Alright guys, stay tuned to NAIJA News and Entertainment to get more updates from the entertainment front.